CBD oil applied topically may help relieve pain and inflammation from conditions like arthritis, and some people find that it helps with tense or sore muscles. If you're interested in using CBD oil for massage, look for a product that is third-party verified so you know it's been tested and is safe to use. The higher the concentration of CBD, the more relief you'll get from your massage. You can use a pre-made CBD ointment or balm, or you can mix CBD oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, to make your own massage oil. Rub the CBD oil into your skin over any tense or sore muscles or joints, like your shoulders or back. Use the heel of your hand to make long strokes along the length of the muscle or joint you're massaging, which will warm it up and increase circulation to the area. Then use your fingers to apply more pressure and massage any knots or painful areas with smaller strokes. Reapply more CBD oil every 4 to 6 hours or according to the instructions for the product you're using. For a professional massage, look up massage therapists in your area who work with CBD.